Hey guys, I'm showing you this CableDirect 3.5 mm audio cable. It's a aux cable, 2 feet design, and it's a break-proof metal plug that I will show you. And it's a headphone cable and the aux cable for any car, laptop, or auxiliary cord. If your mobile support the aux connection 3.5 mm, you can use this cable to attach to a headphone. So you can see like from the both sides, this is a aux connector and it's very well made from the side. Like the breaking thing is nice. So hopefully it will not break. As you can see, it's a tightly made, the thick cable, and the quality of the cable is nice. And then let's just try in a laptop as well. So I'm just putting in an aux cable and putting in a headphone, so I can feel like there is a, and I can also test and try. So I don't feel any sound issues. Very nice cable for the aux connection.